Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. You've got to meet my sister Krista, now you get to meet my brother Michael.
Hello.
He's also known as Tulsa Astro Geek. If you like astronomy and telescope fun stuff, you can check out his channel, I'll link it below. But today we're come together to talk about Universal Yums. This is our first box of Universal Yums. They are a snack box subscription that gives you each month snacks from a specific country. So with our first subscription, we got to choose either Spain or Poland, and we chose Poland. So we signed up for the Yum Yum box. So this has 10 to 12 snacks. So the choices would be a Yum box starting at $16 with 5 to 7 snacks. The Yum Yum box, which this is, which is $26, starting at $26. Or the Super Yum box, which has 15 to 18 snacks. So, and that's $41. We may upgrade to the $41 one because you just get more variety, but we'll see how this one goes and how we like it. So I thought I would invite my brother to try these out with me. My sister tried out the healthy ones. Gets to try out the not necessarily healthy ones with us. Our little brochure that came with it, and you get to mark your snacks. It'll show you the snacks that we got in the box, and if you like it, didn't like it, if you were brave enough to try it, if it's kind of weird, all kinds of fun stuff. And this does have facts about Poland in it. This would be a really fun box for families to get, families with kids, to help educate your kids on geography. So we also have nutrition facts. Not enough coffee. That's a real thing.
All right. So we've got another info packet about Poland. It's got the front with lots of fun facts about Poland. So it's a really nice educational thing for kids.
Give us a fun fact about Poland. That's
That's food. Let's see. What's on the cover? Who would have thought 1898 would be a great year for women in STEM? Just in time for the International Day of Women and Girls in Science, which is February 11th. Here comes Marie Curie. Not only did she discover both radium and polonium, named for her home country of Poland. Just learned that.
I didn't know that either.
But she also championed the use of radiation in medicine.
How cool is that?
Very cool.
You learn new stuff, so you can find out cool things. So I'll give you a quick look. This is what the box looks like. They packed it really nice.
Yep. Looks good.
These look good. I'll let you pick the first thing.
All right. Let's do this.
All right.
I do not know what this says.
I'm gonna
looks
say,
like cheese.
yeah, I don't know that we're gonna try to pronounce it, but it looks like let me see. Widesky.
Yeah.
Widesky.
Yeah.
And then Zimnaski. I'm sure that was exactly perfect. So this is it cheese chips?
Maybe.
I guess we'll find out. We'll try and see.
Oh, it's cheesy potato chips.
Does it have anything so that is not?
They're really good.
It's not your typical cheese chip.
No, sort of a really thin sort of kettle chip, but with a good cheesy flavor.
It is a really good cheesy flavor. It almost tastes like actual cheese.
Yeah.
It has some information on the back if you can read Polish. Or get out Google Translate. All right, my turn. I'm going to pull out this one. This is Baton Piernikawi.
It's from savory to sweet.
From savory. You got to go back and forth.
Yeah.
What does it say about these snacks? So the snack one, it's not cheese. It's not cheese. That's why it didn't taste like your typical cheese. It's a butter and salt potato chip. So it is buttery tasting. It's definitely salty tasting. Ooh, that's the one I pulled out.
Oh.
This is a chocolate marzipan gingerbread bar. I have never had that combination.
Me either.
3 layers of Polish decadence. All right, I'm ready for some Polish decadence. Let's try this one out. We may not try everything in the box, but We haven't had dinner yet, so we might. Let's see. I'm going to break off a chunk of it. Oh, it does break off actually. It's kind of soft. Oh, because it's gingerbread. It's not. I expected it to be kind of wafery based on the picture, and it looks like a little sandwich cake, like a super fancy little Debbie cake thing. And it's got marzipan in the middle, so it's going to be almond, gingerbread, and chocolate. First impressions? I can definitely taste the marzipan. It's good marzipan. The gingerbread. You like it?
Yeah.
The gingerbread's a little bit lost in the marzipan and chocolate.
Yeah, I agree with that.
But
I'll say I'm not usually a huge marzipan fan, but that's actually pretty good. I enjoyed it.
That's good. Our sister loves marzipan, so where he got the jalapeno chips in the healthy box, she'll probably end up with most of the marzipan.
Yep.
Oh, speaking of which, on the healthy, the fit snack box that Krista and I did, those dried mangoes, I think I posted a note on the video, but as soon as we got into that bag, she already was went to the website, ordered more, and we got some of the dried pineapple from the same company and just got it today, actually. It is really good. I don't think Michael got to try it yet, did you? Oh, well, you can try it. It's good. All right, you can pick the next thing.
All right. Let's go back to savory.
Okay.
All right, I can read this one.
Woohoo!
Monster Munch. Crispy potato snack. Original.
Original potato snack. So I'm guessing it says Poland's saltiest, scariest potato snack.
Ooh.
And fun fact, every year the average Pole eats over 250 pounds of potatoes. That's heavier than a baby elephant. Each Polish person averages 250, over 250.
Hey, from the picture, I was expecting more like fish heads. This is like a wafer kind of.
They're ghost heads.
Yeah, I know, but I found a cracker.
I see what you're
yeah.
saying. But yeah, they're air popped. It looks like, or fried, but they look puffy.
It's good.
Well, definitely a salty potato, crispy thing.
Yeah, not a strong flavor. It's light, crunchy.
That was really good.
Yeah.
This is Beskidski gingerbread sticks, and it looked like they are dipped in chocolate. So they kind of look like what we have Pocky sticks, and it has cinnamon in the picture and cloves. So I bet you that's really good. You can have the more chocolatey end. Okay, so they are crispy. They feel like a long pretzel stick.
That's very gingery.
For such a tiny little thing, they pack a lot of flavor in there.
Yeah.
Those are delicious. One package is a serving. Ooh, the cloves just hit my tongue.
Yep.
It's got some, or is that the ginger? Whatever it is, I think it's cloves. It's really yummy. The whole package is one serving, 240 calories.
Oh, lemon.
I know. I was saving that one.
I love citrus. The La Gustosa. 2 crunchy cookies with lemon cream.
It says it's a crumbly almond biscuit filled with lemon cream. Oh, you don't want to squeeze it too hard if you're going to share it. Let me have the little half since it's your favorite. Whoa. Oh, well, the dog gets a bite.
It's crumbly.
It's got the cream in the middle. It is a crispy, crumbly. It's really good. It's not like a zingy lemon flavor. I'm trying to think what it's reminding me of.
Very creamy.
It is creamy. It's like a soft lemon. It's good. It definitely tastes like a artificial lemon flavor, but I like it. It's good. The next thing we have is, I'm going to assume the P is silent and call this Astasi Mlesko. I could be completely wrong on that. So this one is a dark chocolate marshmallow bar. Okay, this is Poland's most famous chocolate.
Oh.
It says, this is from the E. Waddell, is just as famous in Poland as Hershey's is in the U.S. Not to mention it's 40 years old. All right, let's see what, and this one's the same chocolate. The other, I'm sorry, spoiler alert, the last candy bar in the box. It's not sectioned, so it just is a solid bar of marshmallow covered in chocolate.
Ooh.
It's not, okay, this is a different kind. I was expecting the marshmallow to kind of, I'll let you have to break off your own hunk, to kind of be stretchy like I'm used to a marshmallow being, but it just kind of pulls off. It's still squishy, but
it's more foamy.
Yeah, more foamy. I hope it doesn't taste foamy. It's very good. It's not what I was expecting for marshmallow. It's marshmallowy, but it's not what I was expecting for what I am used to for marshmallow. But it's good. I mean, it's simple dark chocolate marshmallow. There's not really any additional flavorings to it. It is good though. I like it. What did you think?
It's very good. The chocolate is delicious. The marshmallow is almost more of a meringue.
Yes, it's meringue. Michael actually has a better palate than I do, which is a good reason to have him on a snack box one. Okay, so the last two things, well, we have this one, which since we just tried the marshmallow. This one is like a wafer caramelly one. So I think we'll hold off on this one, but that one does look yummy as well. The other thing you get in this box, we got a drink, Helena Oranzada. And it's not orange colored, it's kind of cherry colored. So let's give that a try. It's not very sweet. It's really tart. It's like fizzy, unsweetened Kool-Aid. Cherry Kool-Aid.
I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad. I'd say unsweetened, lightly sweetened. Like when your mom would put in a half a cup instead of a whole cup because it was better for you. That's what it tastes like. It's like sour cherry fizzy. It's good. I like it. Okay. Last thing. You want to do the last thing?
Sure. It is the Yum Bag.
The
It is
Yum?
a bag full of yum.
It's a bag full of yum. They will send some individual candies and they put them in the yum bag.
Oh, there.
I've done more homework on this box than he has. And we got 4 milk fudges. And we got 4 of these. Looks like 2 orange, 1 lemon, and 1 cherry. I want to try a milk fudge.
Yeah, I'm going to do lemon.
Okay. This has a cute little cow on it. I love me some cows. Anybody who knows me. I don't have cow decorations. I just love cows. Actual cows. Okay. What's yours like?
So it's like a chocolate coated lemon gummy. See that middle there? That part in the middle is like a gummy candy covered in really good chocolate.
Ooh.
It's a lot.
Yummy. This is kind of like a hard Werther's caramel consistency. It's squishy, but or like dried out fudge. It is a fudge, so that is just a vanilla sugar bomb. It's really sweet. It's tasty. It's good, but it's just vanilla candy sugar. This was fun. We got to try a good sampling of what's popular for snacks in Poland.
Yeah,
What
it
was
was a
your
really fun
favorite?
box. I'll probably go with this thing.
That thing?
Yeah.
I think my favorite was the gingerbread stick. It was really
Very
good.
good too. Yeah.
I like a good gingerbread flavor. I make a molasses cookie that has a kind of the same spice flavor as this around Christmas time, so it reminded me of my cookie. That was fun. All right, that was our first Universal Yums box. So thank you so much for joining us, and the Astro Geek gets to branch out from his telescope world for a minute. But we had a lot of fun putting this video together for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it too. Let us know if you like the Universal Yums, if you get it yourself, if you're thinking about getting it. I don't know if I have any kind of discount code for just being a regular subscriber. If there is, I'll put it in the link. Otherwise, I'll just put the link for Universal Yums if you want to try it out. And we will see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, hit the like button if you like it. Share the channel with your friends. Please give me some comments below what you thought of today's video, what you think of my brother. He's pretty cool, even though he's a big nerd. But you guys have a great one.